Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pooja. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss Cramer's rule. Now, here you can see I have two linear equations such that 2x plus 3y equals to 13, x plus 7y equals to 23. Now, to solve these equations by Cramer's rule, first of all, I have to put them in matrix form. That is Ax equals to B form. First of all, take a matrix. Now, here put the coefficients of x in first column. That is 2, 1. Now, here in second column, put the coefficients of y. That is 3 and 7. Now, take another matrix. Here, put x and y. Now, put your x equals to sign and take the constants in other matrix. That's it. Now what is the first step? First of all, put these equations in matrix form like this. Now you can see that is a matrix A, and here X is this matrix X, Y, and that is matrix B. Now here you have to follow 5 steps in Cramer's rule. Now here you can see I have to find determinant A in step 1. Here you can see I have a matrix A of order 2 by 2. From this I can find determinant A. To find determinant A, just multiply these two elements and put here subtraction sign and multiplication of these two elements. 1 into 3. 7 into 2, 14 minus 3 into 1, 3. That is 11. So I have determinant A, that is 11. Now step second. That is I have to find A1 determinant. A1 determinant means I have to take determinant in this. On the place of first column I have to take these two elements 13, 23, and the second column will be remain same 3, 7. I will repeat. In determinant A1, just I will change the first column. I will take these two constants on the place of first column elements, that is 13, 23, and the second column will be remain same. That's it. Now solve it. Just multiply 13 with 7, put here subtraction sign, 23 into 3, that is 91 minus 69, that is 22. Now step 3, I have to find A2 determinant. For this, just put the first column as it is, and on the place of second column put these two constants, that is 13, 23. Now solve it. 2 into 23, put here subtraction sign, 1 into 13. Now multiply these two elements, minus 13, that is 33. Here you can see I have determinant A2, that is 33. Now number 4, that is value x will be calculated from a1 determinant upon a. Just put the values of a1 determinant and a. That is 22 upon determinant a is 11. That is 2. Now step 5. Step 5 is value of y, which can be computed from a2 determinant upon determinant a. Just put its values. Determinant a2 is 33 and determinant a is 11. That is 3. From this you can see x is 2 and y is 3. That's it.